Hey, what's up guys? And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a fall look with some of my favorite products and also with one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes for the fall season. It is the Morphe 35R palette. It brings all of the warm colors that you honestly need for the fall season. It has all your warms, your neutrals, everything you need. So if it is something that you would like to see, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if y'all like this video, and stay tuned for the look that I end up creating. Alright guys, so I've already gone ahead and done my eyebrows. I do have to go ahead and set the concealer that I put on my lids. I honestly don't use eyeshadow primer as often as I probably should. I just go in with the concealer because why not? Alright, first things first guys, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's kind of like a toffee type coffee shade. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I like to think of it as like a pumpkin shade. And I'm going to go in a little bit below my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this like really dark chocolate color right here. And what we're going to do is we're kind of going to do a smoky eye. But it's with a brown shade. And like my own personal opinion, I feel like it's so much easier to do a smoky eye when you're doing it with like a chocolate brown color. So like for example for me, my eyes tend to be a little darker, so when I put black on them I have to be really careful or else it looks like somebody legit punched me in the face. So if you're a girl like me who has like really dark circles and just my eyes are just naturally like that, I would not recommend that. Just stick to brown. Unless you can like get the little concept of how to do it, then go ahead. Do what you gotta do, boo. I'm gonna go back in with that like super orangey pumpkin shade, and I'm gonna go a little above it just because the brown really kind of loses the whole groove of things. I am going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creaming Concealer. And I'm going to go on the back of my hand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this like flat M167 Morphe brush. And I'm just going to like lightly tap the product. I want to have the product look like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the very top. So a new technique that I've been doing is I've been, just letting my eyes sit like that. And do it where my eyes are like literally like start like kind of overlap because I have hooded eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in on my other side, so I'll be right back. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take my little flat brush and I'm gonna go in with like orange, where is it? Right here. This like orangey pumpkin, because in the fall season, so everything's kind of pumpkin and orangey and fall and browns and neutrals. Oh, I love it. Gonna just dab the brush on top. And to be honest, the pigmentation on these colors are just amazing. And I know usually I always just like do my wings liner. Today we're not gonna do my wing liner. I'm actually just gonna apply some mascara and top it off with some falsies, just because I just want it to be kind of like a dramatic look, but without any eyeliner. Now I'm going to do a mixture. For my lips, I'm going to be using the ColourPop and Makeup by Shayla collab. I'm going to be using Quickie. And I'm going to mix it with the gloss Neat Freak. Alright guys, so this concludes the video. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed. Stay tuned for some other videos that I'll be coming out with. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.